here I am in sneaking away in a quiet spot talking to my friend David Birds. David, I know there's no distance between friends. I wanted to reach out and let some of the people hear what's going on with you right now. How's it going?
Yeah, it's going all right. It's going all right. Yeah, well, released some new songs over the last few weeks. One about COVID. I think you know which one that one is. Walking with our eyes wide open, because I think we had the wool pulled over our eyes. Quite a lot of us, no matter which country you live in. I think we're all in the same boat with that one. Got another new track on there. Worked on some dance tracks. Just at the moment, just basically using my catalogue of songs and changing them up a little bit, putting, rather than the rocky kind of side that I do, I'll just be trying to mix up a little bit, 10 different genres on the songs. Yeah.
Great. I'm glad to hear it. I mean, once the music and the writing and stuff's in your blood, it's kind of hard to get away from it. Now, I understand that you have a whole catalog of music that you've made it into a collection and you're putting it out there so that if there is someone interested in checking out your music for their various projects or whatever, isn't that right? Isn't that what you've got going now? They can get a hold of you
Yeah.
at how can they get a hold of you?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you go onto the YouTube channel of David Jarrod, which is spelled Jarrod. That's kind of my songwriting name. Email davebird75@hotmail.com. It's all linked together. What I decided to do this year was just put a load of songs on out of my catalogue, out of my archives, if you want to call it that. Put it onto my YouTube channel. No fancy videos. Just basically backdrops or still videos or loop videos, just so you can hear the music. And, if anything relates to somebody or if a song comes out, because the lyrics are pretty decent, the songs are pretty catchy, and there's a story behind every song that I've written. It's just a case of somebody, that might want to use a song, that wants an original track to use on their gigs or when they're out about performing. They might like something they hear. I really like that song. Could we use that song? Could we work with that song? Or we like that chorus section, not really bothered about the rest, etc. I'm willing to work with all the new artists out there that want to get better. Songwriting is not as easy as everybody thinks it is. It's either a gift or it's something that's in your blood, as you said. And like I say, I've got a massive catalogue of tracks that I'm slowly but surely putting onto my channel. And if anybody touches base with me that really likes something they hear, I'm willing to work with them. Yeah.
Well, that's awesome to hear, and I'm glad to hear it. As if you're having trouble finding David's place, you can also find the links on our site, One Groovy Planet. We put it all the information that we can to help other artists. We've got information to help David. And that's what we're all about here. David, I thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to hook up with us. Sometimes it's hard to make everything meet, but we pulled it off this time. So
the time difference. It's the time difference. Yeah.
So here from the USA to the UK, this is Thomas and David, and hope that everyone has a good day and that you'll check out what David's doing on One Groovy Planet and on David Bird's Songwriter site. Thank you, guys.
I'm Superman, and you're watching One Groovy Planet.
1, 2, 3, 4, get it!